Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are old and coming back, I say welcome and thank you so much for being here today. My name is Oforiwa. On this channel, I love to share all things home. I love to share motherhood, decorating, cleaning, and also some DIY. So today's video, I have already shared with you guys from the beginning where we started making over our former living room areas. So right now, I have already started decorating, so I will be sharing with you guys into this video how I was able to transform this space. Even myself, I cannot believe it that this is the same space. We have already been in this home for the past 1 year, so I am finally getting to do this space. And this is the front entrance of our home. When you come in, this is one of the first spaces that greets you. So I'm so glad and very grateful that I have been able to transform this space so our home can look really inviting and welcoming. With all going on with all of the murmuring, let's go ahead and get right into this video. All right, family. So as you can see, I just wanted to take us back down to memory lane. So this is where everything started. This is how the front entrance has been looking. And we were able to clear the entire place out and build a new fireplace and build a built-in everything. And then I went ahead and paint the entire place. So this is how everything turns out. The whole space just looked like a brand new place. And then I decided to go out to find me some rug, and then I went to restore. I was looking for a new coffee table and I came across this rug. It is very brand new, so I picked it up and it was only $40. And I brought it home and vacuumed it and put some baking soda in it and vacuumed it really good. And I allowed it to sleep overnight. So this is how it looks. It is very new. I don't know why the camera is making it look that way. But anyway, I went ahead and put it, my husband went and put the curtain right up for me, and then I hung the curtains. I am in love with these curtains. They came from Amazon. I will make sure to link all of this in the description box just in case you are interested. I got four pieces of curtains, but it comes two in a pack, so I was able to order 2 packs and it is gorgeous. The quality is very high. It is a linen curtains, and like I said, I really love it. And now it's time to start putting all of my furniture in place. The couch I'm gonna be using in here, I would say a sofa. It is from Wayfair. It is like a brown couch. I originally got this couch for my basement, but because our basement is not complete yet and I don't think we even near to completing it, so I would just be putting it in here just to make over this space so that um we can at least have a second place for us to spend some time if I wanted to just to read my Bible or just to do some editing or some work. At least I can spend some time in here. And also, if family or friends come over, we need to get away from the distraction, we can also come in here as well just to relax and chill. This space can be used for variety of different things. But anyway, I went ahead and unboxed all of the pieces of the couch. This was very easy to put together. It took a little bit of minute for us to figure it out, but as soon as we figure it out, it was very easy for us to put it together. But anyway, my husband came in and decided to help me for us to put it together. So we went ahead and worked as a team, share our ideas. And to be honest, the paper that came with it didn't really have much um like a direction how to put it together, but we had to figure it out, like I said. And as soon as we knew what we were doing, it was very easy pretty much to put it together. But this is my husband laying down and trying to fix it, and then we realized that the entire thing was wrong. We were literally using the seat of the couch to put it as the back, but when we figured out, that's how the couch turned out. And now I am bringing all of my other furniture in. The only brand new thing I have in this entire room, it will be this couch, the rug, but these accent chair are chairs that I have owned for about 3 to 4 years now, and I still love it. It used to be in my other living room because I have a new accent chair, so I decided to move it in the front room here. And then this coffee table that I just rolled in here, I also used to have this in my old house, and then we moved in here, and then I started using it in the other living room, and I put it on Facebook Marketplace originally to sell it, and then I took it off Facebook Marketplace, and now I am just styling it in here. I try to just put things that I already have in here. I will gradually change everything that I have in here, but for now, the place it works and it look beautiful. And I'm just using all of my old decor. And the same thing as this artwork, it is gorgeous. I made that myself, and it is beautiful. It is from my old house as well. When we moved in here again, I was using that, and then I just move it around the house. And these are all of my beautiful family, my kids, and my husband. I am gonna be filling out all of the built-in with our pictures. I have the idea where I want to like make it like a art gallery. Basically, like when you come in the living room, you will walk and kind of like go closer to just see. And all of these picture frame are from Target. I originally got it. I got a Target card for my godmother. It was $50. So I decided to go ahead and get um extra ones just to kind of like start this space. I was originally gonna do a family art gallery in my other living room, but I just didn't like the way it looked, so I decided to just fill up this built-in with it. And you guys do let me know what you think. It is something that you would try at home. But anyway, I moved on to styling this beautiful built-in that my husband built for me. I did make a video and share with you guys, so if you want to see that video, it is on my channel, and I will also leave the link in the description box. So on the very top, I put in this two picture frame, my husband and I, and then my daughter Ella. And then I put that long vase that I have home from Hobby Lobby for a phone home goods for about 2 years. And then I put another picture frame down on the second unit, and I put in a book and this beautiful spring flower that I got from Hobby Lobby, and the vase it is from Home Goods. And then we move on the other side. I just put in two candlesticks and or two candle holder and a candlesticks. It is from Home Goods. I did share that with you guys on the last balance shelf. I put in my son picture, and then I put a vase and then some bowl fill up. And then on the very top, I was originally gonna put this candle sticks of candle stem or candle holders, I'm sorry, with some stem. I just did not like the way it looked, so I took out the gold. I felt like the gold was kind of clashing, and I took it out. I decided to put in two picture frame. Ella, that's Isabella, and my husband wedding picture. And then I didn't like the way it looked, and then I decided to go back in and just change it around. You will see me removing everything and just keeping it very simple. I try to start this chef unit very simple, and then use things that I already have, and then yeah, just to play around with what I have already to just start this chef unit. Gradually we will get new decor to kind of play around, but for now I was just using everything I have. And then on the second shelf again, I put Michael in. If you are new to this channel, I am a mom of 4 kids and a wife. So I am super, super happy to be able to display my kids' pictures, because in this house, we had no picture outside. So it is very nice that I can be able to display their pictures in our home, and people can come and see and just it for me it looks so welcoming. But anyway, I put in this DIY vase that I made, and the stems are from Amazon, and then the book from Home Goods, and the little black pot, it is from Home Goods. And then I'm bringing in another artwork. They did this is from Home Goods, and then I'm bringing in these two boxes that I have had for about 5 years now. I'm just styling it under there, and then I move onto the side of the couch, which is right to the window, and this window facing the street of our home, so I didn't want it to put anything there to block the window. So yeah, and I really love the lighting that come in here. I have shared this splinter with you guys in one of my spring haul, but anyway, it is from Masher. I found it during the Christmas season, but they still have it in store. I came across it the other day, and it is gorgeous. I just like the detailing on it, the structure, everything. It is so good, and this plant was able to fit in it so well, and it is from Amazon. And then I'm bringing in this beautiful brown throw blanket that I got from Home Goods, and the throw pillows cover are from Amazon, and the insert was originally from Home Goods. And then on the other side, I am coming in with this pillow that I got from Home Goods. I have three of them, but I will be styling two of them in here. I came in with some black and white just to tie in the black and white in the room. And then I bring in this beautiful end tables. It is from Ross. This was less than $40. And then I'm just using this light in here. I will not be leaving that there because it is for my bedroom, but for styling purposes, I just wanted to share with you guys. I am on a hunt looking for a new light for this space. And then I came back to wipe the table down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start to style it. And y'all, the end of the day, I was super happy with my space. But anyway, I create this beautiful spring stem arrangement. Every time I do this on a camera, it don't turn right, so I like to do it with how we calling it, I don't know. But anyway, I bring it in, and then the vase is from Home Goods. The little gold tray, it's from Home Goods. Candle are from Rose, and the beautiful single candle, it is from Home Goods. Books are from Home Goods, and this little beautiful um I don't know how you call that, but anyway, it is from Home Goods. And I went ahead and ordered this beautiful ornament that I have been in love with for a minute now. It is from Target. It is so beautiful. I love the color on this. I love the material, because in here I wanted to bring in some texture, so I decided to bring in this beautiful, like I said, stool. It is from Target. So yeah, I just went ahead and unboxed it with you guys, because when I was recalling, that's when it came in. So I decided to share with you guys how it looked like. But I was super happy here. And yeah, so I went ahead and started in two different ways. The first time I did put it in front of the fireplace, and then you guys gonna see the second clip. I will take it from there and put it opposite the step keys. So this living room, right by it, we have our step keys to go upstairs. So I decided to switch it around, because I felt that space was very empty, and the living room felt like one side was decorated and the other side was just empty. So I decided to move it around on the other side, which you will see very shortly here. So here I decided to move it around and just move it on the other side of this wall. And I think I like it there better. But you guys do let me know, which side do you like better? Do you like me styling it in front of the fireplace or putting it in that corner? And this is how the entire room came together. It is very pretty. It turned out so beautiful. It is very warm and inviting and cozy and so relaxing. But you guys do let me know what you think, and please try to comment on my video and share with all of your friends and your family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to do so, and that would just help to support my content, and it will help me for YouTube to push my video out. And please try to leave some comment, like interact in the comment section. But that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for all of your love and your support. I do really truly appreciate every one of you guys. But until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Have a beautiful day, be safe out there, and I love each and every one of you guys. Bye bye.